Hello, welcome to LockerBlue Trainer Tool. First of all, load the game completely. Run LockerBlue, and enter the password. Look at the menu, and select Bulldozer and Road. Buy some plots on the lake. Build a house on the lake, and connect to headquarters. You have no limit. You can build on hills too. Thank you for watching. LockerBlue is a free trainer software, compiled by Tier Gala team for testing purposes only. Be aware that any information in this video may be inaccurate, misleading, or addictive. You run it at your own risk. LockerBlue is supposed to be totally virus and Trojan free. If your operating system or antivirus software blocks it, disable auto protection. LockerBlue is compatible with Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome only. You can find our other related videos and original download links at fbox.com. Bye.